Hey dudes, what's going on? Today we are doing an update of a video I did. I was just looking it up and I literally did a video on the old version of the Borka ADT 10 years ago on this channel. So crazy how things go. But anyways, I was super excited. Borka Tools is no longer owned by Boris. ProShot owns them now. ProShot reached out to me a little bit ago and said, hey, we noticed you made a video a while ago with the old version. Would you be interested in making an updated video for your audience, kind of showing how the toolkit works as well as the new version? And I was like, yep, that sounds cool to me. So let's talk about how we would use this on a handgun. This particular handgun has a Holosun 509 mounted to it, and the torque spec for this crossbolt is 20 inch-pounds. So we're going to apply 20 inch-pounds. I put my Torx 10 in there, which is the appropriate size. I'm going to loosen the spindle knob, and I'm going to find 20 inch-pounds. And again, I'm going to slide that arrow right to 20 inch-pounds, quarter turn. Make sure the arrow is pointed at 20 inch-pounds. I can kind of adjust my grip for what's comfortable, so it's probably going to be something like that. Insert the bit into the screw. Again, I'm tightening with my thumb, pushing down, making sure that that bit doesn't hop out of the screw. And I'm going to slowly tighten, and if I need to reset, I can easily do that. Now I've got it snug. I'm also pushing on the Optic body, and I've received that click indicating that I'm at torque. That's how easy it is with a handgun. Again, I'm allowing basically just the tool to rotate around the spindle, and I'm simply pushing with that button. But a very, very versatile tool that's really effective. There's no springs to stretch out. There's no batteries on some of the digital models. And what's great is that these are really, really accurate for the range as well. They have a plus or minus 4% level of accuracy on the whole range of the torque. Some of the other torque wrenches that are out there give you an accuracy range for basically one spot right in the middle. And then that accuracy kind of widens depending on where you're at in the range. They're less accurate on the low and the high end and only accurate, really accurate in like the middle. Whereas this, it's plus or minus 4% throughout the whole entire range. Made in America. Now it's backed up by the ProShot company. They make awesome cleaning products, other gunsmithing supplies, target bags, other tools. Really, really good company right out of Illinois. Good people in the Midwest making good tools.